everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for a little while now. It was actually recommended to me by my older sister, who also has a YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is Kelly's Creations, and she does a lot of crafty projects. And a place that she goes to quite often to buy her supplies is the Dollar Tree. And what she recommended for me to do is makeup from Dollar Tree. So in this bag is a bunch of makeup that was purchased from Dollar Tree. And I do want to also add that I did not pick out any of this makeup. My mom and my kids did. I was working, and my mom offered to go to the Dollar Tree and just pick out everything that I would need. So I believe I have a full face of, or I believe I have enough products here to do a full face. We'll see. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see if she got me some primer. Oh, here we go. So she got me, it looks like some color correctors. So we're going to use this for our primer today. And this is by a company called LA Colors, which I have heard of this brand. I have seen their stuff. So she got me the green and the pink highlighter and the primer. The pink primer is for brightening your complexion, and the green primer neutralizes redness. So that's good because I do have some redness in my skin. I do have rosacea. We're gonna go ahead and open these up and get these on. Oh, okay. These have like a little slanted tip on them, so that's nice. So I'm just gonna take this because I know it's going on my own face, and I'm not gonna be putting it on anyone else's face. So I'm just gonna put this where I normally have redness. They didn't do a bad job. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how well stuff is covered up. So I'm happy with that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Next up is foundation and concealer. And she picked out, looks like 2 foundations. And I'm going to use them together because I think one is a little bit lighter than the other. So she picked out LA Colors, and it looks like a liquid. It just says liquid makeup in True Beige. Helps even skin tone. Provides flawless, luminous coverage. So we'll see. And this one by Sassy and Chic, and this is a moisturizing foundation in light 1. So I'm thinking she bought this one for the foundation and this one to use as concealer. So we'll do that. I'll go ahead and we'll get this going. It's a pump foundation, which I really love pump foundations. I just think they are the neatest and cleanest way to get foundation out of something. So let's go ahead and get this applied. Okay, so we have the foundation on. It's fine. It's very thick. It goes on really nice. You know, other than it does have kind of a funny smell to it. I don't have any complaints about it. It doesn't look bad. It's fine. Again, the only thing that I would say is it just kind of has a like chemical smell to it. So hopefully this doesn't break out my skin, because my skin can get a little bit sensitive. But other than that, I mean, for $1, this is actually pretty decent foundation. The coverage is really nice, actually. Like I said, it is thicker, so I think it's more of like a medium to full coverage foundation. So I mean, for $1, it's not bad. We're going to use this one for concealer because it is much lighter. So I'm gonna go in with this. It's a foundation again, but we're gonna use it for concealer. So this is that Sassy Chic, and it's in the shade Light 1. I think she bought me a lighter foundation to use as concealer. She probably couldn't find anything that's a concealer on it. My thoughts on this is, again, it's a thicker foundation. It is a little bit dewy and illuminating. So I think the coverage again is really nice. It doesn't have a smell to it. And I think that it would be great as a foundation or great as a concealer. So, I mean, I'm really, again, happy with the results that I'm getting from these products so far. So again, this is the Sassy and Chic Moisturizing Foundation. So it does say moisturizing, so that is why it's a little bit dewy. But I think this is a good little brand. We will see throughout the day, and I will put those notes in the description box below how this makeup wore throughout the day. So I will let you know my final thoughts in the description box. But so far, I'm really impressed with this Dollar Tree makeup. Let's continue on. We're going to do our setting powder now. So we're going to set all of this with some powder. And I do see that she got me 2 different types of powder, which is great. I have a pressed powder and a loose powder, and they're both from that LA Colors. So we are going to go ahead and use the pressed powder where I set that lighter foundation concealer, and we're going to take the loose powder and set the rest of our face with that. And she bought, one's a medium shade and one's a light shade. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm just going to set my whole face with the loose powder because this is much lighter than that pressed one. So I'll just go ahead and we'll get the face set, and we'll move on to the next step. Loose powder is not doing what it should do. It's supposed to help smooth out everything and set everything in place. And what it is doing right now is right along my nose. It's clumpy and it kind of moved around a little bit. I don't like that. That's not what it's supposed to do. So I don't know if it's just not working with the foundation, which more likely is what it is. Okay, so moving on to bronze. We are going to, she actually must not have been able to find a bronzer. So she picked up a bronze blush. So we're going to use that, and it does look shimmery. So we're going to see how this goes with applying this to my skin here as a bronzer. Hopefully I'm not going to totally ruin this look. However, I do think that loose powder just did it for me. Not happy with that loose powder. That should not be doing that to my skin. Your makeup should not be moving around when you put that on. Oh, this is a really beautiful shade. It has just a slight amount of shimmer to it, which is fine. It's not overpowering. It doesn't make my skin look really weird or anything. I do like how it blended out. This is really nice. So this is the, again, LA Colors Bronze, and it's actually a blush, but we used it as a bronzer today. But this is really cute. I like this one. Moving along to brows, we are going to use this pencil right here. This is the LA Colors Brow Pencil, and this is in dark blonde. So far, my overall opinion about these products is they're not bad. I mean, other than the loose powder totally doing something weird on my nose with the foundation, I mean, all in all, I'm pretty pleasantly surprised with the quality of this makeup. I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and use this pencil and get our brows going. Okay, we have our brows filled in. They look okay. I mean, it could look better. The thing with this pencil, it is a little on the waxy side, so you do kind of have to use some pressure when putting it on. I did kind of warm it up on my hand a little bit to get it going, but I mean, some people don't mind the waxiness of pencils, others they mind it. I mean, it worked. It filled in the eyebrows, not as good as I normally like them to look, but it's not bad. So this was the LA Colors Brow Pencil in dark blonde. Okay. So moving along to eyeshadow, she picked this cute little eyeshadow palette. It is a 12 color eyeshadow palette, and it is, the name of the palette is called Chic. It is a bunch of cute little purples and neutrals. So I'm happy with that. I love me some purple anything. So we are going to go ahead and give this a try. So here it is. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. Comes with one of these goofy little applicators. I throw these away usually. I don't use those because I like to use brushes. I'm going to start with this kind of vanilla shade, and we're going to put that all over our eye. Looking a little closer at this palette, a lot of these shades have shimmer in them. So we're gonna go in with this color at the end here, and we're gonna put that in our transition. This like nice little light purpley shade. We're gonna do that in our transition. It looks like it's one of the only shades that do not have a little bit of shimmer to them. Not a bad eyeshadow palette for $1. It really truly isn't. It isn't as pigmented as some of your higher drugstore brands and of course your high-end brands. I mean, it's $1, guys, so it isn't going to be made with a whole lot of quality. But it isn't bad. It definitely is not bad eyeshadow. So we are going to continue with this eyeshadow look, and we're going to do a little bit darker of a shade, actually a lot darker of a shade. We're going to go in with this top shade right here, this really dark one up top, and we're going to put that in our crease and on our lid a little bit. Just take your time, be patient, and you will get the look that you want to achieve with these eyeshadows. Okay, now I'm going to take a little smudger brush. I'm going to go back into that darker shade that I just applied to my lids, and we're going to go along our lower lash line with that. Okay, so eyeshadow is complete. It's about as complete as I'm going to get it. Again, this is not a high quality eyeshadow palette, but it is a workable palette. It just takes some time and some patience, and you will get to the look that you want to achieve. For $1, this is pretty darn good. Okay, moving along, we are going to do eyeliner, and this is actually really cool because she was able to find an e.l.f. brand eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. This is the eyeliner in Coffee, and what's neat about this is it comes with its own little sharpener right in the cap of the pencil, so that's neat. So we're going to go ahead and get the eyeliner on. I usually don't wear browns for eyeliners. I usually wear black, and it's usually liquid eyeliner, so this is a little bit of a change for me. So let's go ahead and get this applied, and we'll see how this works. So my thoughts on the pencil, it does, because of the color of it, it's a coffee color, so it just kind of blends right into my makeup. I did take it along my waterline. It went on nice and smooth, no issues. It's e.l.f. brand. I like e.l.f. brand. I think that's a good quality brand. I think it's cool that you can get e.l.f. brand at the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna move on to mascara, and again, it's an LA Colors mascara, and this is their Lengthen and Extend Lashes. Very, very black. That is what the shade is called, very, very black. And we're gonna go ahead and get this on our lashes. Very nice. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised with this mascara. I think it worked really well. So next are our lips, and we have again some products from e.l.f. So again, so cool that e.l.f. is at the Dollar Tree. So we have a pencil liner, and it is in the shade Mauve Luxe, and it is it does have a little pencil sharpener right on the cap again, so I think that's really cool. And then we have this lipstick in the shade Classy, so it's like a kind of like a pinky shade. So hopefully, I think these colors are going to go really well with my eyeshadow. We are going to go ahead and get this applied. This lip liner is like butter. I love it. Ooh, I really, really like this. I might go, hopefully, I wonder if they have more shades. I might go buy some more of this. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, this lipstick is amazing. It feels so like moisturizing on my lips. I love it, and it smells like candy. I love that too. So here is the final look. I have to say I'm really pleasantly surprised with everything that I put on today. I really think it's some good products, and I really love the fact that they are only $1. I think that is cool. I love that if you are on a tight budget, you still are able to go somewhere and buy products like that that work and are not crap. You know what I mean? I think that's cool. And other than the loose powder not working with the foundation combination, and that could just be my skin and it not working well with each other. It doesn't mean it's a bad product, it's just not working for me. So that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already, as well as a little notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!